Hi friends, this video shows how to play movies and video files inside the USB flash drive using MX Player. Here you can see I have connected this multi-port USB hub to this Google TV streamer 4K using this USB Type-C cable. Here you can see the power cable that is connected to PD in port of this USB hub. Here you can see USB flash drive. First let me go to TV and ensure that this USB flash drive has been mounted. Go to all settings, go to system, go to storage. Here under removable storage you can see SanDisk USB drive. That means this flash drive has been mounted properly. After that go to apps tab. Then we need to open MX Player. So we need to install this MX Player app. MX Player TV app you cannot use. We have to use this MX Player app. Install it from App Store. Then let me open this. Then select these three lines on top left corner. Then go down. Here you would see USB, but it's not showing here. Let me remove this USB, then reconnect. See, now you can see USB storage here. Set USB storage. Then go to documents, and here you can see all media files inside that USB flash drive. Let me play one video file. See. So this way we can play movies and video files inside the USB flash drive using MX Player. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.